Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna report an issue on my Switch. So, as you can see, it's a Switch. What could ever be wrong with it? Well, it's not turning on. And look, I'm gonna hold it. Doesn't turn on. Press the home button. Doesn't turn on. I go to pop a cartridge in it. Guess what? Doesn't turn on. So, I really don't know what I should do. Because, look, when I put it in the dock, and then go ahead and turn on my TV. Oh, wrong button. Turn on my TV. I have a Pro Controller right here. So, look, there's my TV going on. So, look, I'm gonna hit the home button on the Pro Controller. It's not even connecting to the Switch. So, I don't know what's wrong. So here's how the problem began. I was watching YouTube, just having a nice time. And so I had to use the bathroom. So, like any normal human being, I went up to use the bathroom. However, though, when I come back, I try to get back to my YouTube video because I turned it off. I turned the console off. And so it's not even letting me turn on the console, which is stupid. So, I don't know what's going on, Nintendo, but I got the Switch last December, Christmas, December 2018, and it's July, so it shouldn't be broken. You realize my 3DS ran longer than the Switch with no problems, so, yeah, kinda sucks. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. I hope your Switch doesn't do the stupid problem, because now I can't even play it.